Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to disable this research pane in Microsoft Excel. Now press Alt plus F11 to open Visual Basic Editor. So on your keyboard you have to press Alt plus F11. At the top you will see F11. So if the Alt plus F11 is not working, you have to press Alt plus Fn and then you have to press F11. Once you do that, it will open this Microsoft Visual Basic for application. Once this is open, you have to press Ctrl+G. So press Ctrl and G over here. Ctrl and G. So Ctrl G. Now once you press Ctrl and G, you will see this blank space over here. So in this you have to copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Paste the command over here and then hit the enter key. Now once you hit the enter key, you have to press Alt plus F4 to close the Visual Basic Editor. Now you can press, or you can simply close it, or you can press Alt plus F4. Once this is closed, you should not see this research pane over here. And if you see it, close Excel and open Excel once again and then check. So that should help you to get rid of it. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.